Hello everyone, welcome to ArtZone. Today we will be learning to draw silhouette fairy. So let's start. Take a marker or black sketch pen and start drawing with me. Draw a slant line and a curve. Draw a small curved line here. Turn and draw small nose. Draw a small line and connect it. Draw two slant lines and connect them. Let's draw the neck now. Let's draw two more lines for the body. Add wings as shown here. Draw a curve. Let's draw the hand now. Draw a curved line and connect the body. Let's draw the legs now. Draw the palm and add the magic wand. Add some pixie dust. Now fill the entire figure with black sketch pen. Draw two fine curved lines for the moon. Fill this area with black sketch pen. If you like this drawing, like, share and subscribe this channel. Add some more pixie dust. Take 3 plastic crayons and apply on this sketch. You can choose colors according to your choice. Fill the entire background, and in this way you have completed your drawing. Don't forget to watch our next video, and thank you for watching.